Hey, I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible. I should have made it a long time ago, but it's just gonna be a follow-up before the follow-up of my system so far. This is definitely the most expensive goddamn money balling to the walling system I done ever had. I'm gonna try to link everything down there in the description. Y'all know how it go. I was just on the way to the gym and I was like, man, let me move my box around, see if I can get some different sound. But I'm getting a custom box made right now. Even though the Scar box is really hitting though. Like, y'all can talk as much shit as y'all want to. I had got this idea from Bass God Lee. I'll link his channel too. But he said that it was doing right. And he experiments with all types of different boxes. So I took his word for it. And it was, you know what? Just let it speak.
Time to get some cheddar. Hard work, pay off, get it in any weather. I know this play gon' turn them up, so I throw them some extras. Time to get some cheddar. Hard work, pay off, get it in any weather. I know this play gon' turn them up, so I throw them some extras. I can see water to a wheel whenever it's crunch time. Eat John Wick in every song, but never front line. Station full of bosses, man, I cross that gun line. Try hang, I cut you off and take one time. When I bring this shit together, we big as one. It's a bad city. Uncle say he finna retire from busting them chickens. Get my first pay show, a hell of a feeling. I'm all in with this record.
So down here is a Kicker CXA 1200.1, but I already have ordered a new down for sound amp to replace this. It beat, don't get me wrong, it just get a little bit too hot for my liking. Right here is a down for sound 1600 point, no, it's a 160.4. Putting 160 to these. Oh, these by the way are amp risers by JP's Audio. I'll put his channel description too in case y'all want to order some. This right here is the Gale Force F3.8s. Sound damn good. This right here is down for sound, I think it's called JFX 69. Might be, might not. But like I said, I'm getting a custom box built for these right now. It's gonna have LED and a acrylic window, see-through type shit under there. Let me go around real quick. We got the down for sound LTO 6.0 going to a recoil distribution. I don't like how this is looking. I should have switched this out. It's pulling a little bit too hard for my liking. Over there is an audio control LC2I. And then we're gonna get to the stars of the show. Is these audio pipes. These are the BDX4s. I think they are 2400 watts. Oh man, y'all finna see. These is crazy. These things is wildin'.
Let's go.
So just real quick, I forgot to mention 2 things. First thing is, when I put my box facing backwards, the way that usually you're supposed to have it, it almost damn near knocks the top of my mirror. I mean, both my cameras, both my rear view cameras, and like the top third brake light, that shit is about to snap the hell off. So I had to turn it facing the inside of the car, but then I was like, do it hit the same? So now I'm about to just play around with it. But also, I forgot to mention this. This is a DS18 voltmeter and sequencer. It's really, it really come in handy. All right, you do 1 input in and it gives you 5 remote turn-ons out. And I'm missing something else, but anyways, I like it a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna have to, obviously I'm gonna have to slow the music down for the copyright reasons, but you can see that shit is banging.
She said,